Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will talk about nested loop in VBA. So what is nested loop? A nested loop is a loop that contains another loop inside it. And this is very useful when you need to iterate through two or more sets of data at the same time. So a loop within a loop, right? So let's deep dive into our practical stuff, how it can be achieved. I want to declare two variables like this is for one loop and this is for second loop. And k for increasing the number which you want to display for I equal to 1 to 20. Next I, and earlier video wherein I put cells like I comma 1, wherein I is my row and 1 is column, so I've fixed the column. But what if I want this column to be dynamic just like row? So how could I achieve this? So through another loop we can achieve this, right? And my simple ask is to display uh, counting 1 to 100 in 5 column, 1 to 5 column, right? So k is, so I'll have to initialize k first and then I'll put, so this k value will get changed, right, every time I run this loop. So for j 5 and j close, and k's values will increase in every instance of a loop. So that means this loop will run 100 times. That means 20 into 5. If I make it 6, then it will be 120 times. Since this loop, the inner loop will run many times, 100 times, right? Because so for every value of I, j will run 5 times. So say for example, I equal to 1. So j will run 5 times for 1. That means for one row. Then second row 5 times, and this way it will run 20 times. Okay, so I'll increase this value k equal to k plus 1. That means k value keep on increasing every time. So let me run it in debug mode. Now you can see, and if I run it, you can see 1 to 100, right? So this way we achieve this. And what if I want shape like this? Star. Okay, so every increment of row, column will increase, right? So fourth row, fourth column, fifth row, fifth column, so and so forth, right? How can I achieve this? So first I'll have to take off k in k variable because it is not required, as well as here, as well as here. Here I want this shape to be displayed. I'll replace it, and I'll replace 5 as I because j value will restrict with I. That means if I equal to 1, so j will run only once. J equal to 1 to I. Then when I value increase 2, so j will run 1 to 2, right? That's how you can achieve this particular pattern. That's all for today video. If you think this video is helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.